Good afternoon. How everybody doing? Good afternoon. How is everybody doing? Just wanted to make a quick recap video. I actually didn't do one for yesterday, so I'm actually just gonna do it now. And also, you're gonna see like back-to-back videos recap for today. I'm gonna split them up. The first one, it's for AWX. As you can see today, aftermarket, it closed today at 10.5. Aftermarket, it is at 17.50. Talk about a short squeeze. If you haven't done before, make sure you look at my previous videos as far as like how this stock been trading for the last couple of days. As you can see, it went up from $2, now all the way at $17. So I doubt anybody bought and just held, but if you did, you are banking right now. Alright, so back to the recap. So on yesterday, I was shorting it. Also, alright, let me first start off with this. This was the earnings winner that I had previously played on the 25th, I believe. And let me get it here. There we go. That way you can see it. So this earnings winner, I was buying it right down here. It was dipping close to the end. I averaged, got an average of about 15, I want to say 1540, 1530 or something like that. So I bought, was anticipating that up. Didn't see a gap up, but we did see a brief spike. It dipped, actually dipped all the way down to like 1527. I didn't sell. I waited till it went back up, and I sold it right around like 1595 to make a good about $800 profits, $900 or so. So that was my first trade for yesterday. I actually exited on the 26th. The next play that I was following was AXTI. No, I'm sorry, AWX. And do a 2-day chart. This. I started off getting this short like right in the beginning. Then again, I knew it was going to do the same pattern that it did from the other day, which it did. I had in mind. I was shorting here, and I come right here for a small profit. I wait till it ripped up. It first topped out. Then after it topped out again, topped, so I couldn't pass it on this, so I started shorting. And right around these consolidating period, I end up covering to get profit. Then I knew it was going to do another dip down, and I wait till about right here. So this is where I had got caught in the short trap. I got squeezed a couple of times on this play, but I didn't sell. I got squeezed. I think I was buying it here, so I actually averaged up. If you look at my live videos, I mean, I was breaking so many rules. I got lucky. Definitely, like I keep saying, you don't want to be lucky in the stock market. You want to stick to your rules, stick to the rules, and make sure that you're doing everything right. But I got squeezed here, So I started averaging up, dipped, averaging up, to eventually I end up getting my average to about like 513. Not even that. It was probably like 510. But down here somewhere. So to make roughly made like 10 cents a share. Because at one point I was down about like maybe like $6,000. So played this horribly yesterday. And the last trade that I did yesterday, right before the market close, was BPI. BPI is the earnings winner. So as you start to see with me, like most of my trades are earnings winner, like most of my buy orders. So if it's an earnings winner or contract winner and it's spiking and it's holding its gains, more likely in the afternoon I may play it. So with this earnings winner, I was buying it here, went on a dip, started actually it was closer to the market, so it was right around here. So buying, and all of a sudden right before the market ended, this thing ripped up. So I was probably, this was like a 15-minute trade. I was up about, I think, like 70 cents a share or 60 cents a share. So I ended up selling before it had this collapse there right at the end, because it collapsed, got all the way down to like 12.30 something, but I sold way before then. So the reason why, again, that I was buying this was because it reported good earnings. Not only good earnings, they also had growth of 45% of enrollment. So all that was positive. Since I was already up, because normally I would have just held overnight, but once you're up, 60, 50 cents a share, then why risk, why risk it? It would have, had I held it, I would have got dipped, and would have went topped out at the 12.81, which it already did the previous day. So that's what I did for that. And these are just pretty simple trades, and to AWX, the reason why I was shorting this so heavily these last couple of days, because of the resistance. So now it's actually a breakout. So the whole pattern of what I was doing, that's no longer in play. 10 year. Well, the 10 years, I mean, it was gonna be right around here, like 590. That was the highest point, but it broke out past that. Then today it did the similar patterns, and I'll go over that trade. That's the only trade that I did today, and show you my result for it. And I got squeezed a couple of times too, but also played it bad and by averaging up. But I'll go over it with you maybe in just a few minutes. But just wanted to do the quick recap for 7/26, 2018, and I'm gonna do a quick recap for today's as well. All right, peace.